What do you need to invest in cryptocurrency? While the idea of cryptocurrency can be daunting to beginner investors, the requirements to get started are minimal. If you want to learn how to invest in cryptocurrency, you only need personal identification documents, bank account information, secure internet connection. That's it. It is possible to purchase cryptocurrency through a stockbroker as well. In this case, most of your personal and financial information will be on file already. Now that you have what you need, let's start investing. But before that, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NFTs Explained. Do check our description. There we have links of some amazing courses that will definitely help you in your crypto journey. Before anything, let's have a quick look at how cryptocurrency works. This will help you a lot to decide whether to invest or not. So without any further delay, let's get started. How does cryptocurrency work? Today there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, and while many are designed to provide some new feature or function on a given blockchain platform, most are founded on similar principles to those that established Bitcoin. Crypto is secured by a peer-to-peer network, and users can trade or transfer value globally and almost instantly, 24/7, without relying on a middleman like a bank or payment processor. Cryptocurrencies are considered secure because they employ a trustless system of verification for all transactions. This means that users don't have to rely on a third party to verify transactions. The system itself is self-governing. As of November 2021, estimates of the number of cryptocurrency you can trade range from about 6,000 coins to over 10,000, with a total market capitalization of over $2 trillion. Currently, the biggest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, and Solana. Cryptocurrencies are generally stored in digital wallets, commonly a blockchain wallet, which allows users to manage and trade different crypto. Tips to know before investing in cryptocurrency. Here are a couple of important things you should know before investing in cryptocurrency. Capital gains tax. For tax purposes, cryptocurrency is considered an asset, like a stock or property. When you sell crypto and make a profit, you'll have to pay capital gains tax on what you earned. Keep this in mind when you're budgeting for the year and planning for taxes. Short-term investing. Because cryptocurrency is a volatile asset, many investors would consider it to be a short-term investment rather than a long-term one. It's possible that in the future, cryptocurrency may become a stable investment, and that long-term holdings will yield significant profit. But that's a big if. Since cryptocurrency values have been decreasing, you might have a better chance of making a profit by timing the market. That's incredibly risky, but crypto is high risk. If you want your money to appreciate over a long period, you're better off investing in long-term bonds, index funds, or ERAs. How to invest in cryptocurrency in 3 steps. If you've decided that you're willing to take a risk on crypto, you might be asking yourself, how do I invest in cryptocurrency? Every cryptocurrency is a little bit different, but assuming you want to purchase for profit, let's cover the steps for how to start cryptocurrency investing for currencies like Bitcoin and Litecoin. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Start purchasing cryptocurrency. Store your cryptocurrency in a wallet. 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. First, you need to pick an exchange to buy from, like choosing a broker for stocks. After selecting which exchange you want to start investing in cryptocurrency with, you will be able to make an account with them. There are many options open to you, but the most popular crypto exchanges are Coinbase Binance, Kraken Gemini GDAX, Bitfinex. 2. Start purchasing cryptocurrency. These exchanges enable you to purchase crypto with your debit card. Typically, you're able to choose between different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. A single coin might be valued at thousands of dollars. However, most exchanges allow you to buy a fraction of a coin, which is far more affordable for first-time investors. Just like a stockbroker, an exchange will charge fees for every transaction you make. 3. Store your cryptocurrency in a wallet. Once you've purchased a unit of crypto, it'll be added to your wallet. Not your actual wallet, of course, but a virtual wallet that you'll receive when you open your account with an exchange. The wallet will hold the codes for all your cryptocurrency. There are software wallets and hardware wallets. A software wallet is just a software program that holds your crypto. You need it for active trading, and you'll typically get one when you open an account with an exchange. A hardware wallet is a physical device that holds crypto. It looks like a USB drive, and it's more secure than a software wallet. But it's not necessary unless you're buying a huge portion of crypto. 3 best cryptocurrencies for beginner investors. Before cryptocurrency investing, it is essential to know the types. There are many types of cryptocurrency systems that you can invest in. Bitcoin is arguably the grandfather of all crypto. It has been around for over 10 years, and it's the largest cryptocurrency system in the world, with a market capitalization of about $128 billion. Here are some of the other cryptocurrencies you can buy. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a great starting place for any beginner. Every currency exchange supports Bitcoin, which means that you'll know what you're buying into. Bitcoin is merely a form of digital cash. You can use it as a means to exchange currency and value, which gives it a competitive advantage. Ether. It's a cryptocurrency, but the main focus is on purchasing applications without having to pay a middleman. In other words, bypassing the Apple Store. Cardano. This cryptocurrency is primarily used to store private data. An alternative to Ethereum, it's more energy efficient and is thus less expensive. How to choose the right cryptocurrency to invest in? It's easy to jump on any bandwagon just because someone said it was a worthy investment. However, it would behoove you to conduct your own research. When you buy cryptocurrency, know that it holds zero intrinsic value. Instead, it represents ownership of a digital asset. Its price is simply determined by public perception of its value. So you need to believe in the value of the cryptocurrency you choose to invest in. How do you develop these beliefs? By conducting your own research. Put it into work by reading white papers, and come to an understanding of which cryptocurrencies may increase in value in the future before making an investment decision. And do take note that this is not financial advice. So dire before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you get notifies every time we upload a new video. Until then, peace out.